Hey guys, how are you? As I told you that we are starting new series, where you find different types of videos to increase your knowledge. Here is going to be our first video, in which we tell you about some historical places in the world. So, are you ready to start your journey? Watch the conversation between son and mother about historical places. Enjoy the conversation. See you soon.
Hey Ollie, what are you doing?
Mother, nothing. But I want to learn something. Something about world. That increase my knowledge.
Okay son, then I have something for you.
What, mother?
Would you like to explore world's historical places?
Yes, mother, of course.
Okay, great. Then I will tell you about some historical places.
Wow, I am very excited about this.
So, the first historic place is Petra.
Petra. I have never heard about place. Tell me about Petra, please.
Don't worry son. I will tell you.
Thanks, mother.
So, Petra is a historical city in the Jordanian Governorate of Ma'an that is famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system. It was established sometime around the 6th century BC as the capital city of the Nabateans. It is a symbol of Jordan, as well as its most visited tourist attraction.
Wow, thanks, mother, for telling me about Petra. I did not know anything about Petra before.
I am very happy that you are taking interest in this. So, our second historical place is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It is located in Giza Pyramid Complex, Giza, Egypt. The pyramids of Giza are the only surviving ancient wonder of the world and one of the most famous tourist attractions in the modern world.
But mother, for whom it was built for?
Ali, it was built for Khufu, Sneferu's successor, and the second of the 8 kings of the 4th dynasty.
Okay, thanks, mother. Which is the next place?
Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument located in the English county of Wiltshire. Archaeologists believe the iconic stone monument was constructed anywhere from 3000 BC to 2000 BC.
Thank you, mother. Tell me about some more places.
No son, it's 11 p.m. already. Now, it's your sleeping time.
But mother, I want to know about some other places.
I will tell you, but not now.
Okay, mother. Hey guys. I hope you have some knowledge about these places. I will come next time with some another interesting video for you. Now, I'm tired, and I guess you also need some rest. So, that's all for today. Goodbye. And yes, don't forget to like and share video. Subscribe to my channel and click bell button for more videos.